What is NSIS Code Maker? NSIS Code Maker is a tool that makes NSI scripts for NSIS to compile. NSIS makes installers so you can install any app. To download NSIS Code Maker, go to scintillaware.com slash NSIS Maker. Then scroll down and click download. Please note that it's important that you have NSIS to install. If you don't, you can click this button. To download NSIS Code Maker, click on the download whatever version you want. Agree to the license agreement and wait for it to finish downloading. Click on it. You might get this warning. Click on More Info. Then click Run Anyway. It will prompt you to this installation screen. Click the Next. Then click Install.
It will say it has finished and installed on your computer.
Click Finish. To launch it, click on the Windows Start menu. Click on the pound and click N. Here you have NSIS Code Maker. Click on it. This might take a second to load. As you can see, it is a pretty simple user interface with 3 buttons up here: Open, Save, Save As, and multiple fields: Installer Directory, Output File, App Name, App Short Name, Execute on Shortcut, and Executable Name. The installer directory has everything that needs to be installed. For example, if you have an app, that the main app file is called app.exe, and the other files are called text.txt, images.txt, and logo.jpg. Then these will all be in the installer directory, and you would select them here. I will first make a simple app so I can test installing it. I'm going to create a new folder where all my apps will go. I'll call it My App. You can call this anything you would like. Now you want to make another new folder to put where all your installer directory should go. I'm going to call it Files. My app will just be a HTML file. I'm going to create a new file, a text document, and call it app.html. It's going to ask if you change the file extension. It might be unstable. I want to change it. I will say yes. I'm going to right click on it and say Open With. Then I'm going to click Notepad. I will make some code here. This is HTML code. All it does is says welcome in a header. Since I want to have a dependency, I will say ID equals text. Now I'm going to load a JavaScript file in that will change welcome to hello. Here, I load my JavaScript file called change.js. Here, I don't have it. So, after I save it, I will make it. New text document, and I'm going to call it change.js. It will say if I change the file extension, the file might be unstable. Click yes. Now, I will open this I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code because Visual Studio Code is good and autocomplete. I'm going to write document dot get element by ID, and now I'm going to say text dot inner HTML equals, then I'm going to write hello. So this will replace welcome with hello. I'm going to save it, and now you can test it. As you can see, it says hello instead of welcome.
Now I have my app. I want to make an installer.
I will open NSIS Code Maker. Select the installer directory would be where I have my app. It's not my app, instead it's files. The output file I'm going to put in my app. I'm going to call this output.nsi. You can call this anything you want. App name. This is the name of your app. This will show when in the startup stages, the pages, as well as the shortcut in the start menu. I'm going to call my app hello. App short name. This is what will be the title of your folder. I'm just going to call mine hello, lowercase. This is execute on shortcut. On execute on shortcut, this is the thing that will be executed on shortcut. I will execute app.html. I can write in execute.shortcut any of these apps in the files directory. Executable name. This is what the installer name should be. I'm going to write installer. Install. Hello. App. Now, if I press generate, it will create the NSI script. It will inform me that the installer has been created. I'll click OK. Then I'm going to go to my app and here, output.nsi. If I open this with Notepad, it will show me NSIS script code, but I want an installer. To do this, I should right-click, go to Show More Options, and click on Compile NSIS script. This will add a long list of feedback of what it did. I can close it, and now here's my installer file. I can now double-click on it, and it will say, Welcome to Hello App Setup. Now I can click Next. It will ask me where I want to install it. The default space is good. Now I'm going to click the Install button. It will say that I has finished installing. I can click the Finish button now. I can now click on the Windows logo, go to All Apps, and go to Hello. Here it is, Hello App. I click on it, and it shows me Hello. Let's say I don't want the Hello app anymore. It comes with uninstaller. It's just directly underneath it. It's called Hello App Uninstall. I click on it. It will show me that it has completed. If you show details, it actually shows you what it did. It deleted the file uninstaller. It deleted the file, the start menu. It deleted that start menu and also deleted other files as well. Now click the close button. The app is now uninstalled. But filling this in was a lot of effort. What if I don't want to fill this in every time I want to make an installer? It's easy to do by clicking Save As. You can save that as an NSCM file. You go to where you want to save it and you can call it anything you want. I will call it Hello App dot NSCM. Now if I close this, I can see that there's hello app.nscm. Now I can open my NSIS Code Maker again. And click Open, hello app.nscm, and open. It will fill in all the data for me.